So walking through the pits and something grabbed me instantly. A 33 Ford, completely jet black with bright pink flames and a young girl working under the car. So I had to stop and find out what's going on. So I was fortunate enough to find Nick and Veyda working on their race car. It's a pleasure to meet you guys. Hi. So what can you tell me?
It's a 1933 fiberglass body, 427 LS with twin 80mm VS turbos on it. Turbo 400 built by Cone with a Cone converter, bolt together style. We got a Ford 9-inch in the back with 350 gear. That's basic. Got a 417 intercooler on it.
It's a beautiful car. What really caught me walking by, one, the pink flames, they're beautiful. But the attention to detail on this car is wild. Now, for those of you that understand twin turbos, turbos typically spin one way. Nick has mirror image turbos. Now that's typically a way more expensive and in-depth option because you're doing something that's not normal. Seeing somebody that goes to that level for a visual effect tells me that this car is going to be over the top. So one of the cool things is everything's polished. I love this. So you were explaining to me that typically it's even prettier.
Like after we're done with this race, we'll tear the exhaust all this and polish the stainless all up. So when I'm cruising, it looks good and stays nice. But applying all the power to it, it heats it up, changes it, messes everything up every time. But
I love this. So power-wise, what kind of horsepower do you think the car makes?
Guessing around 2,000. It made 1250 at the rear tire on the dyno, but no timing in it, no boost in it. It was just learning the car, just getting it.
So now how much boost are you running?
That pass I just made was 32 pounds of boost, but it's been up to 38 pounds, so it's got it in there.
With that much boost, yeah, you're right around 2. Yeah, so fuel-wise, what kind of fuel?
Q16 right now.
Perfect.
Probably gonna switch to methanol over the winter.
Okay.
I'm tired of the ice. I'm tired of the water dripping all over this thing. It's driving me crazy.
Love it.
And just it's getting high MATs out back, so I'd rather keep it safe. The meth is safer in that aspect. So
now, one of the things I noticed walking by, it's an entire tube chassis car. But I noticed it has what looks like a factory frame rail.
Yep, it's got 25.2 chassis in it, but it's actually the 33 frame rails with the VIN number stamped in it. So I had to maintain that. So that's why we incorporated it, and I want it to look like a factory frame rail on the car.
It's a very, like one of those cars you have to walk up to and be like, what am I looking at? But one of the other things that I noticed, if you want to come around here, I saw that it's the full tube car, but the interior's gorgeous. So is this more of a race car or a show car?
It's both. It's both. I want it show and go. I don't want to get harassed that it's only a race car, it's all ready. I didn't want to get harassed at a car show that it can't move and put somebody on a trailer. So the goal was to capture both ends of it.
It's a beautiful car. So now one of the next questions I have for the two of you is, I noticed the accent color is pink and you match the vehicle. So what's the story behind the pink?
So I'm a father of 3 girls. I got 3 young girls.
Good for you.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Yeah, 13, 11, and 8.
Are you the 13-year-old? Ah, so when I walked up, I met Nick's mom, and Nick explained to me that his daughter Veyda here is actually the crew chief. When you were a 13-year-old girl, were you a crew chief on a 2,000 horsepower twin turbo drag car? I don't think so. Probably the coolest 13-year-old I've ever met. So Veyda, what is your favorite part about this?
Like you said, the pink flames, I love those.
Was that your idea?
No, but I love it. I love it so much.
So when you guys go racing, like when you go to events, what's your favorite part? Hanging out with Dad, working on the car, riding in the car?
Hanging out with Dad in the car while we're driving. We have headsets, so it's easier to talk to each other.
I would imagine it's probably loud.
Very.
Yeah.
So you guys are cruising along, singing and driving?
Yep.
That's probably fun. So how long before you get to start driving it?
Hopefully 3 years once I turn 16 and get my license.
Oh, you want to actually drive?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah, man.
I'm down for it.
Nick,
Yep.
Veyda, thank you so much. Keep up the good work. Look at these dirty, dirty hands. She's actually working. She's a badass. Guys, thank you so much. I hope this thing cracks into the sixes. 200 club, right?
I hope so.
Perfect. That's it. Nick and Veyda's 33 Ford. Check it out.
Is it 151? No.
That half-baked lasagna.